February 14, 2024. Dear Jake, today I go to the training center. I spend 2 hours to go there in the big bus. As soon as I arrive my school, our classmates and teacher, we walk through the playground and we all get on that big bus. Later, that big bus was started to move and it passed the door. While I take on the bus, I feel very bored, so I played a phone game to get away from bored feeling. A few hours later, we finally arrive at the training center. As soon as we arrive, our classmates go to the dorm, and we put down our pack. Then me and classmates go to the cafeteria and eat lunch. After we finish eating, we come to center of training center and started the first project. It is find the treasure. Rule is make 3 people to make group, and we started to find. Finally, we got first in the class, and all of the class we got 4th. We felt very happy, get some break, and we started the second project. It's a shooting ball. When I touch the arrow, it's be out. So 3 classes were competitive, and finally our class win all match, and we get first title. So we feel very proud. After that, we eat the dinner in the cafeteria. In that time, it's 7 o'clock. And in the center of training center, we do talent show. A lot of friends were participated. It was very fun because very fun music or dancing was out. When we finished the talent show, we go to dorm and we take a shower with 2 people. After all, friends and me lie on the bed and fall asleep. The next morning I get up 6:30 a.m. At 8 a.m. I go to the cafeteria and eat a breakfast. Today I go back to school, so I feel very upset. When we finish eating our breakfast, we should go home. In the end, I finish eat. Me and classmates were go home and take on the bus again. And the bus started to move. In the bus, many friends fall asleep. That's because we play many projects very hard. And I fall asleep too. When I wake up, there was school. I think that training center was so fun. I want to go there one more time. Sincerely, Jake. Thank you for listening to my presentation.